Looking for an unforgettable Red Sea getaway that won't break the bank? Let me tell you about Xperience Sea Breeze Resort in Hurghada, Egypt. This 5-star all-inclusive property has been making waves since 2007, and after a rebrand in 2020 and some serious upgrades in recent years, it's become one of the go-to spots for families and couples seeking sun, sand, and seriously good value. Sitting pretty along the stunning Red Sea coastline in Soma Bay, about 14 kilometers down the Hurghada road, this place combines modern Egyptian Mediterranean vibes with everything you need for a proper beach holiday. With solid ratings hovering around 8.2 to 8.5 out of 10 across major booking platforms, it's clearly doing something right. The resort sprawls across palm-fringed gardens with low-rise buildings that blend into the landscape rather than dominating it, and that private beach stretching 300 meters is calling your name. Now let's talk about where you'll actually be laying your head. The resort offers 7 different room categories spread across 295 units, so there's genuinely something for everyone here. Starting with the standard rooms, you're looking at 32 square meters of space with either a king or twin beds. Sure, they're the budget entry point, but you're still getting air conditioning, a balcony or terrace, satellite television, a safe hairdryer, and free Wi-Fi throughout your stay. The minibar gets restocked daily, which is always a nice touch, and you've got tea and coffee facilities right in your room. These rooms typically overlook the garden or pool areas and can accommodate 2 adults plus 1 child. Pricing runs from about $120 to $150 per night during summer months, jumping to $200 to $250 in peak winter season. Moving up to superior rooms, you get an extra 6 square meters at 38 total, plus a proper seating area. Many of these have been renovated recently, and you'll notice the difference with added bathrobes and slippers. The real upgrade here is the sea or garden views, and these can fit 2 adults plus 2 children comfortably. Expect to pay $140 to $170 in low season, $220 to $280 in high season. For families, the aptly named family rooms are absolute lifesavers. These range from 45 to 50 square meters and come either as 2-bedroom setups or connecting rooms with bunk beds for the kids. There's an extra minibar thrown in, and you can squeeze in 4 adults plus 2 children if needed. Pool or garden views are standard, and you're looking at $160 to $200 in summer, $250 to $320 in winter. If you want that direct Red Sea view without stepping up to a suite, the Sea View rooms deliver exactly what the name promises. At 35 square meters, they're spacious enough with a lounge chair on your balcony for soaking in those panoramic vistas. 2 adults plus 1 child fit nicely, with prices ranging from $150 to $180 in low season and $230 to $300 in peak times. Now we're getting fancy with the junior suites, which clock in at 55 square meters with a separate living room and king bed. You get an espresso machine and iron, plus if you're on honeymoon, expect some flowers on arrival. These Seaview beauties accommodate 2 adults plus 2 children and run from $200 to $250 in summer, $300 to $400 in winter. The family suite is the biggest standard option at 70 square meters, featuring 2 bedrooms plus a living area, and they even throw in some kids' toys. 6 people can stay here comfortably with pool or sea views, priced between $250 and $300 in low season, $400 to $500 in high season. At the very top sits the Royal Suite, a 2-floor extravaganza spanning over 100 square meters complete with a jacuzzi and private pool access. Luxury linens, butler service, and VIP lounge access come standard, along with private sea views. This can house 4 adults plus 2 children, but you'll pay for the privilege, starting at $500 and climbing past $800 during peak periods. One thing to note from guest photos is that while the renovated rooms look fresh and bright with whites and blues, some of the older standards show their age with occasional chipped tiles or dated furniture. The resort has been working through upgrades, with about 30% of rooms getting new air conditioning and furniture in 2023 and 2024, plus the main lobby and some pool areas getting refreshed in 2025. When it comes to keeping your stomach happy, Xperience Sea Breeze has 6 different dining venues, all included in your all-inclusive package with unlimited access to the la carte restaurants. You just need to book through their app, which is pretty straightforward. The heart of the dining operation is Sultan, the main buffet restaurant that can seat 500 people at once. This place is open for breakfast from 7 to 10 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 3 in the afternoon, and dinner from 7 to 10 at night. We're talking over 200 dishes on any given night, with live cooking stations where chefs grill meats and prepare seafood right in front of you. The spread includes massive salad bars, international favorites, and Mediterranean specialties. They rotate themed nights too, so you might catch Egyptian night one evening and Italian the next. Smart casual dress is fine, no reservations needed, and guest photos show genuinely lavish spreads that'll have you going back for thirds. For Italian food lovers, La Pergola delivers proper a la carte dining with pasta made fresh, wood-fired pizzas, and tiramisu that gets rave reviews. The terrace setting gives you lovely views, and they even run pizza-making classes if you want to learn some tricks. Open for both lunch and dinner from 12:30 to 3 and 7 to 10, casual dress is perfectly acceptable, and the 100-seat capacity means you definitely want to book daily through the app. If seafood is your thing, the aptly named Sea Breeze restaurant sits right on the beachfront and specializes in grilled fish and other ocean delights. Open only for dinner from 7 to 10, this 80-seat venue requires reservations and asks for smart casual attire. Friday nights feature a special seafood barbecue, and while most items are included, lobster comes with a supplement. Guest photos show gorgeous sunset dining with fresh lobster platters that look absolutely incredible. Orient brings Asian fusion to the table with sushi, stir-fry, and dim sum across 90 seats. The lantern decor creates a nice atmosphere, and the colorful plates make everything Instagram-worthy. Same hours as La Pergola for lunch and dinner, casual dress and daily reservations recommended, especially for sushi nights. During the day, the beach bar keeps you fueled with burgers, ice cream, and snacks from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening. Swimwear is totally fine here, no reservations needed, and those tropical huts serving fruity cocktails really set the vacation mood. Finally, the lobby bar operates 24 hours with cocktails, mocktails, and even shisha in a lounge setting with plush seating. They have live music regularly, casual dress is the norm, and the 50-seat capacity means there's usually space to relax with a colorful drink. One thing to note from reviews is that while vegan and gluten-free options are available, they're somewhat limited, so if you have specific dietary needs, you might want to speak with the restaurants in advance. The pool situation at Xperience Sea Breeze is genuinely impressive, with 4 distinct options catering to different moods and needs. The main family pool is absolutely massive at 1,200 square meters, ranging from 1.2 to 1.8 meters deep, with a dedicated kids section complete with slides that'll keep the little ones entertained for hours. This is where the action happens, with aqua aerobics classes, waiter service bringing drinks right to your lounger, and complimentary towels available. The adults-only infinity pool offers 800 square meters of peace and quiet with a swim-up bar that's perfect for those moments when you want a cocktail without leaving the water. If you're after even more tranquility, the quiet relaxation pool spans 500 square meters and lives up to its name. For the youngest guests, there's a dedicated kids splash pool covering 200 square meters with shallow depths perfect for toddlers and early swimmers. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until 7 in the evening, and they're heated during winter months, which is a real bonus. Poolside service is attentive with waiters making regular rounds, and the aqua aerobics sessions add some fun fitness to your day. Now the beach is where this resort really shines. That private sandy stretch runs 300 meters long with gradual entry into the Red Sea, making it absolutely ideal for kids and non-swimmers who want to wade in comfortably. The sand is genuine and well-maintained, and you've got suns available on a first-come basis, though there are usually enough to go around outside absolute peak times. Free activities include kayaks, pedalos, and windsurfing equipment, while the dive center offers paid snorkeling and diving excursions. The beach bar keeps you refreshed, and waiter service extends here too, so you can order lunch or drinks without leaving your lounger. Guest reviews consistently praise the beach as one of the resort's strongest features, with that clear Red Sea water and the gentle entry making it perfect for families. The resort has partnered with HCPCA for reef protection, so you know they're taking care of that underwater environment that makes the Red Sea so special. Beyond lounging by pools and beaches, there's genuinely loads to keep you busy at this resort. The fitness center runs from 6 in the morning until 10 at night with Technogym equipment including treadmills, weights, bikes, and yoga mats. Daily classes cover Zumba and Pilates, and if you want more personalized attention, personal training is available for an extra fee. The gym also has jacuzzi access, which is a nice touch after a workout. Sports enthusiasts will find volleyball courts, and the animation team runs regular tournaments and games throughout the day. Water sports are a huge draw, with that dive center offering everything from beginner courses to advanced excursions for certified divers. The Red Sea is world famous for diving and snorkeling, and having a proper dive center right at the resort means you can explore coral reefs and marine life without traveling elsewhere. Evening entertainment follows a packed weekly schedule, with shows starting at 9 in the evening featuring fire dancers, acrobats, magicians, and themed Arabic nights. These happen 5 times per week and really add to the holiday atmosphere. During the day, the animation team keeps things lively with beach volleyball, pool games, and quizzes. The resort also organizes excursions, including quad safaris into the desert and submarine safaris where you can explore underwater without getting wet. These book through the hotel desk and get consistently positive reviews. Seasonal events include New Year's Eve galas and Halloween parties that go all out with decorations and special menus. The spa and wellness facilities deserve their own spotlight, because this is where you go when you need serious relaxation. The spa offers Swedish massages, hot stone treatments, facials, body scrubs, and their signature Red Sea algae wrap that uses local ingredients. 5 treatment rooms mean you can usually get an appointment without too much advance notice, though booking ahead through the reception or app is definitely recommended, especially during peak season. The facilities include a proper hammam, sauna, steam room, and a relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after treatments. Hours run from 9 in the morning until 8 in the evening, giving you plenty of flexibility to fit a treatment into your day. The jacuzzi accessible through the gym adds another wellness option, and some guests mention doing morning yoga on the beach, though this seems to be informal rather than organized classes. Prices for treatments are reasonable compared to European spa standards, and the therapists receive consistent praise in reviews for their skill and professionalism. The hammam experience in particular gets mentioned frequently as a must-try, offering that traditional Turkish bath experience with the scrubbing and massage that leaves your skin feeling incredible. For families traveling with children, the Kids Club is an absolute godsend, operating in 2 sessions from 9 until noon and then 2 until 5 in the afternoon. Catering to ages 4 through 12, the program includes arts and crafts, games, and the ever-popular mini disco that has kids dancing their hearts out. The staff running the club receive glowing reviews from parents who appreciate having some adult time while knowing their children are safe and entertained. Beyond the structured club, there's a playground, those pool slides mentioned earlier, and the shallow splash pool designed specifically for little ones. The animation team makes a real effort to include kids in daytime activities with age-appropriate games and competitions. Family rooms and suites come with thoughtful touches like bunk beds and extra minibars, showing the resort really does cater to family needs. The beach's gradual entry gets mentioned repeatedly by parents as a key safety feature, and lifeguards are always on duty. During meals at the main buffet, there are kid-friendly options alongside the more adventurous dishes, and high chairs are readily available. Some families mention in reviews that the ice cream at the beach bar becomes a daily ritual for their children, and the resort seems to embrace that holiday spirit where kids can be kids without too many restrictions. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.